Welcome everyone to today's webinar on leveraging AI in litigation support and case analysis. Thank you for joining us today for this webinar. I am Karina and joining me is Sanjeev and Samruddha. Together we represent the team at Beveron Technologies. We are excited to explore how legal professionals can leverage AI-powered litigation support tools to streamline case analysis, reduce manual workloads, and drive greater accuracy and efficiency in legal operations. We are also honored to have our CEO, Brijesh Shadan, with us today. Mr. Brijesh is a legal tech entrepreneur based in Dubai with over 25 years of expertise in emerging technologies. He is an authority in legal technology consulting with extensive knowledge of technology trends and their practical application in the legal domain. We have planned this session to last approximately 20 to 25 minutes. We appreciate your support and cooperation during this time. Please kindly remain muted throughout the session to ensure a smooth experience for everyone. Before we dive in, let me give you a quick overview of what we'll be covering today. We'll begin by exploring how AI is influencing litigation support and case analysis and why it matters now more than ever. Then we'll take a closer look at the evolving legal landscape, what challenges legal teams are facing, and where the real opportunities for transformation lie. From there, we'll go into specific use cases starting with AI in e-discovery and document review and how it's helping firms cut cost and boost accuracy. We'll then look at predictive analytics and advanced case analysis, which are reshaping how legal strategies are built. Next, we'll examine how AI is streamlining legal research and contract analysis, saving time while reducing risk. After that, will introduce you to Smart Law Office, Beveron's AI-powered platform designed to support all these functions within a unified system. We'll wrap up with a quick look at the software key features, followed by some closing thoughts on what the future looks like for legal teams adopting AI-driven tools. Now, the legal industry is experiencing a major shift, and much of that is driven by technology, especially artificial intelligence. Law firms and in house legal teams are dealing with a growing amount of data, tighter deadlines, and rising client expectations. In the midst of all this, AI is proving to be a powerful, transforming what was once overwhelming into something strategic. Rather than replacing lawyers, AI is enabling legal professionals to work more effectively, automating repetitive tasks, offering data driven insights, and enhancing efficiency in case analysis and litigation support. AI adoption is also gaining momentum at a rapid pace, with the legal tech market projected to surpass $35 billion by 2027 and AI investments having tripled in recent years. It's clear that these intelligent solutions are no longer optional, they are essential. Today, we'll explore how AI technologies are being applied in real world legal workflows and how they are helping legal teams to operate with greater precision, speed, and impact. Now, before we dive into specific AI applications, it's important to understand the challenges driving the need for the change in the legal industry. First, there is the administrative burden. Many lawyers find themselves spending up to 40% of their time on non-billable, that is, a repetitive task, things like document management, scheduling, and compliance checks. That's time taken away from real legal analysis, and client service. Then comes the data challenge. Legal teams are drowning in information, especially unstructured data like emails, PDFs, scanned contracts, and transcripts. In fact, more than 90% of legal data falls into this category, making it extremely difficult to search, review, or analyze efficiently using traditional methods. And of course, there is increasing pressure to do more with less, cut costs, meet tighter deadlines, and still maintain high quality outcomes. This is especially true for firms trying to stay competitive while managing growing caseloads. These challenges highlight why innovation isn't just an option, it's a necessity. And that's where AI starts to play a critical role, offering scalable solutions that help legal professionals to navigate these complexities with greater speed and accuracy. Now, let's take a closer look at how AI is transforming one of the most time consuming areas in litigation, e discovery, and document review. So, traditionally, legal teams had to manually sift through thousands of documents to identify relevant information. This not only took significant time but was also prone to human error. With the AI, this process has become dramatically more efficient and accurate. Now, tools like technology assisted review can now reduce document review cost by up to 70%. But it's not just about cost, it's also about precision. So, AI improves accuracy by flagging the most relevant content, often catching what manual review might miss. What's even more impressive is the speed. We are talking about AI systems that can process over 10,000 documents an hour. That means quicker insights, faster case preparation, and ultimately better outcomes. So these tools aren't just theoretical, they have been successfully used in major antitrust cases, saving firms millions. So AI isn't replacing legal judgment, it's empowering lawyers to focus on higher value strategic work by taking over the heavy lifting. Now, to take us deeper into the world of advanced case analysis and predictive analytics, I would like to hand it over to Samruddha. Thank you. Over to you, Samruddha.
Hi everyone, I'm Samruddha. I'll be taking you through the topic of advanced case analysis and predictive analytics. Now let's talk about one of the most impactful uses of AI in legal practice, predictive analytics and advanced case analysis. Traditionally, case strategy depended heavily on experience, intuition, and manual research. But with AI, we can now analyze large volumes of historical case data in minutes to show more informed, evidence based decisions. For example, AI tools can assess past judgments, jury behavior, and settlement trends to predict case outcomes with up to 85% accuracy. That kind of insight can be incredibly useful when deciding whether to settle or proceed to trial. Imagine being able to scan over a million legal documents and identify hundreds of relevant precedents almost instantly. What took what once took days or weeks can now be done in minutes, freeing up time for deeper legal analysis and client consultations. These systems can also pick up on patterns in judicial behavior, like how a specific judge had ruled in similar cases, which helps lawyers fine tune their arguments and expectations. Another interesting application is sentiment analysis. AI can assess the tone and credibility of witness statements, which can help in preparing cross examinations or identifying potential inconsistencies. In short, predictive analytics doesn't replace legal expertise, it enhances it. It adds a data driven layer that supports strategic decision making and gives legal teams a competitive edge. Now I'd like to hand it over to Sanjeev. who will walk you through how legal research and contract analysis can be streamlined using advanced technology. Thank you. Over to you, Sanjeev.
Hello everyone, I'm Sanjeev, and I'll be taking you through how technology is streamlining legal research and contract analysis. Another area where AI is making a powerful impact is legal research and contract analysis, two tasks that are both intensive and detail sensitive. Let's start with legal research. Traditionally, it could take hours to dig through case and law to find a relevant status, but with AI powered tools, you can retrieve critical cases, rulings, and legal reference in just 10 seconds. This doesn't just save the time, it also improves accuracy and ensure nothing gets missed. For instance, if a lawyer is researching precedents for breach of contract case, the AI can instantly highlight similar past cases, judge rulings, and appeal legal codes much faster than manual searching. When it comes to the contracts, AI is equally valuable. One of the biggest risks in legal agreements is overlooking hidden clauses or unusual terms. AI systems can automatically detect over 95% of critical clauses, such as indemnity, limitations of liability, or arbitration terms, even if they are buried deep in the document. Take M&A due diligence as an example. Reviewing hundreds of contracts during an acquisition can take weeks, but with AI, due diligence cycles can be reduced by up to 75%, allowing teams to move faster without compromising on accuracy. Another great feature is clause extraction. Let's say you need to find a specific clause like non-compete term from 500 contracts instead of manually opening each file. The AI can extract all the relevant clauses in just a couple of hours. So whether it's speeding up research or surfacing hidden contract risk, AI helping legal professionals work smarter, stay compliant, and deliver faster results to the clients. Now, that's what we explore how AI is transforming different areas of legal practice. Let me introduce to the solution that brings all of these capabilities together, Smart Layer Office by Beveron Technologies. This isn't another legal tool. It is fully integrated AI-powered platform built specifically for modern law firms and legal departments. The goal here isn't to replace lawyers, but to augment their skills, freeing up the time so that they can focus high-value work like strategy, negotiation, and advocacy. What makes Smart Layer Office stand out is that it addresses the pain points we have discussed. Whether it's managing massive volumes of documents, predicting case outcomes, or streamlining routine tasks. For example, instead of manually organizing hundreds of case files, the platform can automatically tag and categorize documents using AI. This alone can save hours each week. It also offers real time insights, helping legal teams to make smarter, faster decisions. Let's say you are preparing for litigation. SmartLight Office can pull up previous judgments, highlighting the similar cases, and even flag potential risks in contract that may impact your argument. And importantly, this platform is developed by the Beveron Technologies, a company with solid track record in legal AI since 2015. They understood the unique of challenges professionals face, and the solution reflects that. So that we are seeing here is not just a software, but a strategic partner that empowers legal terms to adapt today's fast face legal environment with confidence. Let's now look at core features of that makes a SmartLet Office in the game changer of legal professionals. One of the standout features AI-powered document tagging instead of manually labeling files like contracts, affidavits, or pleadings. The system can automatically categorize them with a high accuracy. For example, if you're handling a litigation case with hundreds of scanned PDFs, the software can organize them in seconds, reducing manual effort by around 80%. Another major advantage is the intelligent search functionality. Imagine trying to locate a specific indemnity clause from a pile of thousands of documents. This tool can find it almost instantly, saving hours and reducing stress, especially when deadlines are tight. Then there's a risk assessment module, which is especially useful during the contract reviews. It automatically identifies up to 90% of the potential risk and liabilities like missing compliance clauses or overly broad termination conditions. This is incredibly helpful during the high stakes negotiations or the legal audits. Predictive case analytics is another powerful feature. The platform uses historical case data to forecast possible outcomes. For instance, if you're working for a personal injury case, the tool might have analyzed the similar past rulings to just suggest the likelihood of the favorable judgment, helping lawyers develop stronger strategies. Finally, integrated workflow is what everything together. Whether you're managing e-discovery, research, contract reviews, or litigation tasks, the platform ensures everything flows smoothly. No need to juggle multiple tools or switch between the systems. In short, SmartLayer Office brings together all the key functions a legal team needs, making process faster, accurate, and more efficient. As we wrap up today's session, it's clear that AI isn't just a trend. It is becoming an essential part of how modern legal teams operate. What we really see is a shift of traditional manual processes to a future where technology augments human expertise. AI handles repetitive time consuming tasks like document review, clause extraction, and data analysis so that legal professionals can focus more on strategy, client relationship, and critical thinking. The result? Greater efficiency, fewer errors, faster outcomes, and better use your team's time and talent. And tools like SmartLine Office by Beveron Technologies are leading this transformation by offering intelligent, integrated solutions tailored specifically for legal workflows. Ultimately, embracing AI isn't about replacing people, it is about empowering them. The future of legal practice is not only digital, it is collaborative, intelligent, and deeply augmented by technology. Thank you all for being part of this conversation on the future legal innovation. We appreciate your participation today. Now it's time for your feedback. You may kindly fill the feedback form sent to you in the comment box. Please feel free to visit our website for more details and resources on SmartLayer Office software.
Thank you for joining us today for our webinar on leveraging AI in litigation support and case analysis. We hope you found the insights valuable and inspiring. We appreciate your time and participation. We look forward to your participation in our future webinars. Please remember to fill out the feedback form as it will help us to provide more informative topics in the future. Thank you all once again.